Hey boys and girls, today we are going to be doing lesson 96. So let's go over today's date and our number pattern. Let's start here. All right, today is April 7th, 2020. Can you repeat that after me? Say April 7th, 2020. Good, let's say it all together now. Ready? Here we go. April 7th, 2020. Good. All right, now let's go over our number pattern. Our number pattern today says 54, 53, 52, blank, blank, blank. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to look at that and write that down. And then I'm going to get my marker and fill it in. All right. Okay. It's hard to write on this board sometimes for Miss Shaw. All right, close this. Okay, here we go. So did you get 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, right? Are we counting backwards, right? Counting backwards by 1. Okay, let's look at that on the number chart. If this was a little bit hard, remember, you can always get out your number chart that's in the back of your math meeting book. So let me grab this really quickly. Let's find 54 on my hundreds chart. Can't read upside down. Here it is. All right, now we are counting backwards. So we go 54, 53, 52, 51, then I go up, 50, 49. So if you ever have trouble with the number pattern, remember, you can get out your hundreds chart and look at the pattern and keep going on that, okay? All right, today is Tuesday. Can you guys say Tuesday? Good, today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. All right, what was yesterday? If today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? It was Monday, right. All right, today is Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? Wednesday, right, very good. Okay, let's say our days of the week. Now you have to sing with me, okay? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Good. How many days are in a week? 7. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, let's go ahead and get out our math meeting book. I'm going to grab mine and open it up to your April calendar. And we are going to add today's date. So, I haven't done that. Today is April 7th. Let me grab my pencil and fill that in as well. April 7th. Good. See, I got my 7 in. April 7th. All right, when you're done, go to the next page for your weather graph. And look outside the window. What is today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining? Is it snowing? You go ahead and fill in the next square, okay? All right, when you're done with that, let's go all the way to the back of our book and get ready for counting. We're going to use our counting strips again today because we're doing our skip counting, okay? So today we are going to start at the bottom. We're going to count backwards, 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 and then our new one, our hundreds, will start at the top. Okay, so get your pointy finger out. Ready? We're going to start at the bottom, and we're going to work our way up on all of them. The first one we're going to do is our tens. So that means we start with the number 120. Here we go, 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Good job. All right. All the way to the bottom again, we're going to count our twos backwards now. So make sure you're on your twos column. Here we go. Count with me. 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Good job. All right, let's go all the way to the bottom again. We're going to do our odd numbers, counting backwards. Here we go. Odd numbers start at 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Good. All right. Back down to the bottom. We're counting our fives backwards. Here we go. Start at 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Good. We counted all of those backwards today. Now we're going to do our new number pattern. We're counting by 100s, but we're going to count forward, okay? Not backwards yet. So everybody get your pointy finger, get to the top, and we're going to say our first number. Here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Good. Are you getting the hang of that? Are you seeing that pattern? We're counting by 100s. Okay, you may go back one page to your number line and you may fill in your next number. Okay, you can do that on your own. If you need help, ask Mom or Dad. I'm sure they'd love to help you. Or if you have a big brother or sister, you can ask them too. They should know this. Okay, that is our math meeting book. You can put that away. We are going to get ready to go over our number of the day and congruent shapes. Be thinking, what does congruent mean? Okay, I'm going to grab something. Okay, so that was I gone a long time? Did you think I ran off and got a cup of coffee? Maybe a cookie? Leanne, you know I like my cookies. Okay, here we go. Today's number is 87. Okay, 87. I have my 8 and my 7, right? Can you say 87? 87. Nice job. Okay, so what number is in my tens column? What number, how many tens do I need to make 87? Okay. 8. The 8 is in my tens column. I would need 8 of those 10 blocks lined all the way up, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now, how many is in my ones column? 7. I would need 7 single blocks right over here. 87. Now, if we switch it to money and we say we have 87 cents, let's make my big cent sign. Boop, there it is. 87 cents. How many dimes do I need? It would be the same as how many 10 blocks I would need. 8. I need 8 dimes. Now, how many pennies do I need? Right, I need 7 pennies to make 87 cents. Good, so that's your number for today. You'll be writing that at the top of your worksheet today. Okay, now we're going to be talking about congruent shapes. Okay, so what is a congruent shape? Do you remember? It is shapes that are the same size and they're the same shape. So Miss Shaw did her best freehanding 2 triangles, okay? These are supposed to be congruent, okay? They're supposed to be the same size and the same shape, right? 2 triangles, same size. Now, if I had this, are these congruent? No, They are the same shape. They are triangles, but they're not the same size. So we have to make sure they're the same size. Now today, in your worksheets, your mom should have out for you, you should have 2 sheets that look like this, 1 and 2, okay? And they have all your dots. Picture your geo boards at school, like your peg boards that we do the rubber bands on. Okay, this is kind of similar, but we can't stick rubber bands on them, right? Because they're paper. All right, so get one out, and I have made a square on my first sheet. So what I want you to do is I want you to copy it. I want it to be the same size and the same shape. So how are we going to do that to make it the same size? Okay, so what I want you to do, think, think, think. All right, let's count how many dots I have going down. I have 1, 2, 3, okay? So if you want to get your ruler out, I got my ruler and your pencil. You can get your ruler and you can say, okay, I'm going to draw a line. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3, okay? All right, now let's count the ones going across. 1, 2, 3, okay? 3 dots across. So I can get my ruler out. I can line it up. You guys have been making your line segments. So here we go. I go 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's count down. How many do I have down? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do that again. Let's get my ruler out. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Draw it all the way down. And then my last line is going to be the bottom one. How many dots do I have across? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get my ruler out and I'm going to draw a line. 1, 2, 3. So now you should have a square the same size as Miss Shaw's. Okay? I have 3 dots across, 3 dots down, 3 dots across, and 3 dots up. Okay? All right, now what I want you to do on your own, and Mom and Dad can help, I want you to make a shape, a small shape, and then I want you to make the same exact size and shape farther down. Okay, so you're going to draw 2 shapes, one up here and one down here, and I want them to be congruent. I want them to be the same shape and the same size. So that means you have to count your dots, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I want you to draw a shape here, and then I want you to copy it. Make a congruent shape down here. Okay, and if you have any questions on that, your mom can always get a hold of me, all right? So that is it for our lesson today. You are going to do your fact sheet, MA 6.0, which is making sure your sums of 10, and then worksheet 96, okay? And I will see you here again tomorrow for math. Bye, guys.